Thank you, sir. Well, illegal smoking inside a handful of bars in Montgomery County is going on at this very moment. In May, Fox 45 went undercover and found dozens of customers still smoking. The bars were already facing fines for the violations, but many aren't paying up. Liza Danver asks the manager of the Miami Valley Sports Bar in West Carrollton why he was still allowing customers to smoke.
Can I please speak with the manager? I'm Liza Danver with ABC 22.
Right now.
Okay.
What can I do for you?
I was just wondering why you're allowing smoking in this bar when it's illegal in the state of Ohio.
I have no idea.
Why do you owe $58,000 in unpaid fines to Montgomery County?
You'd have to speak to the manager, the owner, not me.
Montgomery County is owed about $350,000 in unpaid smoking citations. Today, the state Supreme Court had the final stay on the state's smoking ban, denying an appeal. The move should make it easier for counties to collect all those unpaid fines. Liza Danver is live in Moraine to explain how the decision will help law enforcement. Liza?
Ziggy's owes the county $43,000 in unpaid fines. Now, many bars like Ziggy's in violation. They were waiting for today's state Supreme Court decision, hoping that the law would be ruled unconstitutional so that they wouldn't have to pay. However, we now know that that did not happen. Some bars across the state have been trying to get the smoking ban revoked for years, all the while allowing customers to smoke inside. These are the top 5 bars in Montgomery County ignoring the ban and not paying their fines.
The last legal barrier has finally been torn down.
Health officials have tried to get the bars to pay up, and when they don't, the case is sent to the Attorney General. Public Health believes the state has been waiting for today's Supreme Court decision before really cracking down.
To be effective, an enforcement program has to have a hammer of some sort. And this one has been lacking teeth for some time. And a lot of the reason has been legal.
However, it's unclear exactly how long it'll take violators to cut the county a check. The owner of Ziggy's didn't want to go on camera, but she did tell me she plans to continue fighting this smoking ban. She claims that if she makes her customers quit smoking, she's going to go out of business.
I think it's a tragedy, believe it or not. I mean, no. I don't make the rules, but I think it's bad.
When I go into a restaurant, I don't like my hair to smell like smoke, and I don't want to come out with my clothes smelling like smoke, and more importantly, health reasons. In an undercover investigation, we caught dozens of people smoking inside several bars, including the Miami Valley Sports Bar. They've since put this sign on the door. Today, we went back to ask if they plan to pay their fines and start obeying the law. The bartender said neither the owner or a manager was there. Now, Liz, the owner of Ziggy's, she believes that the customers should be fined, not the bar. She thinks that if customers are fined, that will stop the smoking. Live in Moraine, Liza Danver, Fox 45 News.
Well, to put the smoking ban into perspective for you, here's a map of the United States. Shaded in blue are the states that have a total statewide smoking ban. That includes bars, restaurants, and the workplace. This is according to smokefree.gov. Now, we also found that there are still a handful of states in the U.S. that have no statewide smoking ban in place.